Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this pumpkin inspired hair hack on Dress to Impress. I'm just going to go bald for a minute here, and we are going to layer on some hair. So first, I'm going to use these two buns as the pumpkin, if I can just find where it is. Color the first one orange and the second one green. You can use any green and orange you would like, maybe this one or the other one. I'm just going to do this. Then for the hair, we're going to use these bangs, and we're actually going to color them black or whatever color you want your hair to be. Then for the actual head of hair, I'm going to use this one, and I am going to also use this one, like so. It is optional though, you can just do that without the braid. Then for the leaves, we're going to use this one, and we're going to color it that same green. Super cute, but that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. You can also replace the hair colors with anything else that you want, maybe cherries and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.